It is time for an environmental scan. In an organization, you just pause and you look around and you see what are the risk threat assessments. But here on the boat, what does an environmental scan stand for? In a nutshell, it's my responsibility as a captain to look all over the boat in and out to make sure that everything goes really well, especially before we take off from a dock. And as we're going on the Georgian Bay this coming summer, gosh, I can't wait. I want to make sure that I got every angle covered, right? So we're talking about all kinds of stuff. I mean, the duckbill valves, what else? The strainers, any other tools that I might need to tackle anything there is. Right now I got the canvas being repaired. I just went there today. And the zippers, they received it. They were back ordered, but it's gonna take them a couple more weeks there before they're done. So there's also the air conditioning inside. So I got a few clips on that I took this summer. So we're gonna look into that. And then all the preparatory work that goes into boating. So when you see someone, a captain, just driving their boat around, and oh gosh, it looks fantastic, it looks great. Yes, it is, but there's a lot of work that happens in the background, let me tell you. But you know what? I love it. It's a lot of fun too. Back inside the cabin of the lovely Sea Ray. So I just look at the picture that I took at the back of the unit here, where there's supposed to be a filter, an air filter. There's no air filters, and it's like, it is absolutely packed. Ooh, my gosh, it's gonna make a big difference when I have an air filter there. So I'm going to go home and get a vacuum, a really good vacuum, and then just like clean that up and order right away some good air filters and yeah, make this better. So yeah, thanks to the boaters out there that give me some cues. I really appreciate that. And thanks to Club Sea Ray as well for giving me a good idea of what's going on here. Couldn't find it anywhere else online, so yeah. So here's a bird's eye view. So here we are. Look at this beautiful unit. It's all open, it's wide, it's long. I got plenty of room to look around. It's not totally obvious where the air filter would be, but I'm thinking it's gonna be here. I see two screws. Yeah, at the back, it feels a bit like a car radiator. So that could be it. I don't see anywhere else where it would be. Let's just go get the toolbox and see what happens. When you don't know the size of the tools that you need to repair some of the things on your boat, it's a good sign. It means that they don't break often. I'll take it. When I don't find the tools I need at level 1, I go to level 2. Oh, look at this. And if level 2 doesn't work, there's level 3. And I got the metric and imperial ones and all the size you can imagine, so we're good to go. I'm sure that one of them is gonna fit, right? Let's go with that. All right. Looks like the 1/4 inch might fit. Look at that, yes, good. Hey, up light. All right. Oh, this comes out really easily. Good. It's not jammed, you know what I mean? Oh, I don't know. It's kind of tight. I don't want to force it. Maybe I should just check online before I do. I feel like it's kind of like a glued in or something, or maybe it's just difficult to take out because it's been there for a long time. That's gotta be the filter. I'll go slowly. Kind of glued there. That's like exactly like a radiator. Alright, so I guess I don't need to take this out ever, really. Alright, let's take a picture of the model number here and check online. So I just did some research online and I looked at the Club C-Ray. What it appears is that there's a filter that fits right in between here. So it just glides in and holds some from the edges here. And there's none right now, so I don't have any air filter. So what I'm gonna have to do is just, there's a aluminum mesh here, and then I'm gonna vacuum it. I'm gonna order from Domatic the air filter. So I'm gonna probably get like quite a few, and apparently you need to change them, well, at least twice, 3 times perhaps per summer, per season. So let's do that. So before I order it, I'm gonna measure. So measure twice, cut once, as I like to say. So it's about 9.5 wide and about 9.5 deep. So all right, let's order those. And I measured the width here. It's less than 1/4 inch. And just to put a paper here to say how, to show how it's gonna go, it's just like this here. It's gonna slide down. And same thing on the other side. So yeah. So until I receive the air filters, probably be a few days. I'm just going to put the bed back together. Oh, easy enough. Boom. Voila. I can't wait to see if it's going to make that much of a difference. I'm thinking it will. So battery to clean the back of the metal mesh there that has no filters on it. And then second thing, order the filters. Well, my friends, that was a really nice visit at the marina. Really happy I was here. February's coming along, so yeah, it's minus 25 Celsius. So yeah, let's wrap this one up. So yeah, we'll see you guys on the next one.